Immerse yourself in our deep relaxation meditation journey to a new reality. Subscribe now and commit to watching our channel daily for 21 days to experience profound tranquility and transformation. Welcome. Imagine your mind as a calm, clear sky, free from the storm of overthinking. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and take a deep breath in. And slowly exhale. Let's embark on this journey to clear your mind together. Begin by bringing your awareness to your breath. Notice the natural rhythm of your breathing. Inhale deeply through your nose, feeling your lungs expand fully. Exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension with each breath. Continue this deep, steady breathing. Now, take a moment to scan your body from head to toe. Notice any areas of tension or discomfort and consciously release them. Relax your forehead. Unclench your jaw. Drop your shoulders. And let your limbs feel heavy and grounded. Focus on establishing a smooth, steady rhythm to your breathing. Inhale for a count of 4. Hold for a count of 2. And exhale for a count of 6. Continue this pattern, allowing your breath to become a calming, rhythmic anchor. With each inhale, imagine drawing in calmness and clarity. With each exhale, release any scattered or racing thoughts. Inhale peace, exhale overthinking. Feel yourself becoming more centered and calm with each breath. Now, imagine yourself standing at the edge of a beautiful, serene lake. The water is still and clear, mirroring the sky above. The surface of the lake represents your mind. Calm, peaceful, and undisturbed. As you gaze at the lake, visualize your thoughts as ripples on the surface. With each breath, see these ripples gradually settling. Leaving the water perfectly still. Feel the tranquility of the lake seeping into your mind, bringing with it a profound sense of calm and clarity. Bring your awareness to the present moment. Notice the sensation of your breath, the feeling of your body against the surface you are resting on. Allow yourself to fully experience this moment, free from any distractions or concerns. If your mind begins to wander, gently guide it back to the present. Remind yourself that it's okay to let go of thoughts about the past or future. Focus on the here and now, on the simple act of being. Picture yourself standing under a waterfall of light. This light is warm, soothing, and cleansing. As it cascades over you, feel it washing away any lingering thoughts and worries. See these thoughts dissolving in the light, leaving your mind clear and open. Repeat silently to yourself. I release what I cannot control. I am present. I am calm. Allow this newfound clarity to fill your entire being. Imagine your mind as a blank canvas, free from the clutter of overthinking. Embrace the stillness and peace that comes with a clear mind. Take a moment to appreciate this clarity. Notice how it feels to have space in your mind, to be free from the constant stream of thoughts. Embrace the lightness and freedom that comes with this mental clarity. To reinforce this state of calm and clarity, repeat the following affirmations. My mind is clear and focused. I release unnecessary thoughts. I am in control of my thoughts and emotions. I embrace the present moment with calm and clarity. My mind is a peaceful sanctuary. Feel each affirmation resonate within you. Strengthening your sense of peace and clarity. As we near the end of this meditation, take a few more deep breaths. Feeling the clarity and calm within you growing stronger. Know that you can return to this feeling of clarity whenever you need it. When you're ready, gently bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes, and slowly open your eyes. Take a moment to appreciate the peace and clarity you've cultivated during this meditation. Thank yourself for taking this time to nurture your mind and spirit. Carry this sense of clarity with you and let it guide your day. Namaste.